Hello everyone, today's video is about this Quota, and what it is essentially just a way to control how much space you can use, how much space a user can use on any particular folder for that matter, so you don't use too much space and doing so exceeding the limit. So yeah, okay, so first you want to open up the VMware workstations. I'm using VMware workstations, you can use something else. Open up and then you power up your machines, your Windows servers. Okay, I already powered up mine. So first you need to install the file server resource manager. So you can do that by first go to add role and feature. You can also do that here as well. And you have to go through here, which is manage and add roles and features. Right click on that. Okay, now I'm gonna click on next. Okay, so here you want to make sure it's a role-based or feature-based installations. Make sure it's that. Click on next, and okay, now click on next, and you can see a bunch of roles here. And what you want to look for is the file service storage, and it's okay, it's right here. So okay, it's right here. So you want to expand that, and expand these files in SI, CSI service as well, and then you can look for the file resource managers, which is okay right here. So file server resource manager. We'll click on that, and then you want to click on the add features. Okay, make sure it's correct, and you can go ahead and click on next. Okay, now you want to go ahead and click install. It's gonna take a while, so you can wait for a bit. Okay, now it seems like the installation is complete. Okay, you're gonna click on close. Okay, and now you successfully installed the file resource manager. Okay, and the next step is open up your file resource manager. Okay, now to do that, you hold on. Oh, okay. So you want to go to tool here, and you want to look for the file resource manager. Okay, and here it is, file resource manager. You want to click on that. Okay, so now we're in the file resource manager dashboard, and you can start configuring your quota. Okay, so first to do that, you want to click on the quota management here, and you will see quota and quota template. And you can start by right click on the quota right here, and then create quota, and then you want to choose your path. So for this example, I'm just gonna create a new path. So go ahead and create a new path. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and browse and find that path. I'm naming this testing just for the sake of this video. Okay, and so we have this default one which automatically set to 100 megabyte. You can also choose here, which you can actually add your own value to it. Okay, so I want to add my own value, so I want to click on these, and I want to choose the custom properties. Okay, here you want to set these space limit to 100 megabyte. It already is 100 megabyte, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. Okay, when it's done, you want to go ahead and click on this OK, and you can also use this, but as either way is fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that and click on the create. Okay, so here you can actually choose to name your template. You know what, I'm just gonna name this one something. Let's see. Okay, when it's done, you want to go ahead and click on OK, and that's it. You can see it right here, and that is how you set your directory to any particular value. Okay, and also another note, you can also limit your folder so that your any user cannot exceed your preferred space limit. So you know what? I'm just gonna create another one. I'm gonna click here and click same again. Click right click, create quota, and here you go. And now you want to browse to a new folder. Just gonna create a new folder, and okay, I create a dummy folder. You can click on that, and I put this as 100 megabyte, and click on create. And yeah, doing that, your user will now have the limit it so that your user now have the restriction so that they cannot exceed the space limit. Okay. Another thing you can do is adding file restrictions, basically blocking user from putting extension type you don't want. Because I mean, realistically, you wouldn't want something like video file, images file, stuff like that. So to do that, you want to go to here and go to file screens, create file screens, and then you want to browse your directory. I'm gonna go ahead and choose my previous one right here. I'd say user want and click OK. Here you can choose the various file type you want. So but in my case, I do want to block more than all the type that's shown here. So you click on here, and then I'm gonna go here, and this right here, you want to make sure these set to active so that it's actually blocking the file and not just warning. And down here on the group sections, you can now choose all the file type that you want to block. So for me, I want the audios and video files and the executable file, also the images file. That's done. You click OK, and then click create. Again, you can choose to save the template. You can name that something you want, but you can also choose not to. So I'm just going to skip that and click OK, and there you go. You have now successfully add the restriction to block any unwanted file extension type on your directory. So here you go. Okay, now that it's actually done, you probably ask the question, how do we check so that it's actually working and not just hoopla? Yeah, the easy way to do this is just basically go to your file manager, and just basically create as many files you want until you reach the limit and see if it's actually working. So actually the quickest way to do this, you can actually go to command prompt. Okay, I'm using these command to generate the text file for me. Okay, let's see right here. Okay, and then you're just gonna go ahead and copy and paste this as many times as you want, and let's see if it's actually working. Okay, I'll copy that, paste this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 8, 9, 10, and there you go. It is working. Okay. Lastly, to make sure that your file type restriction is actually working, you can go ahead and actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and download the images file to show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna save this picture. It look familiar. Okay, let's save this on my computer. There you go. Copy. Paste. Okay, looks like it is indeed working. All right. Okay, this video is pretty short, so yeah. Thank you for stopping by.